Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to snap objects in Clip Studio Paint. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open up a vector layer. With the vector layer open, I'm going to go to the pen tool and I'm going to draw three objects. So this is the first object, second object is below, and the third object is further down. So what I want to do is to align these two objects to the first object up above. So in order to align this, let's go on to View. With View selected, let's go on to Snap. You click on Snap and ensure the Show Guides when snapping is ticked. You scroll down, make sure you tick on Snap to Object. Mine is already ticked. So with that ticked, what we're going to do is to go to the left hand side of the toolbar and select the marquee tool. So with the marquee tool selected, I am going to draw around the objects below. Once that is drawn, click on scale and rotate, and then you simply drag. As you're making this drag, you can see the snap guard ruler generated as you continue dragging. So let's make the adjustments here. Then what I want to do is to bring this object below to align with these others on the left hand side. So I'm going to go on to, so the marquee tool has been selected. I'm going to draw around this object and I'm going to click on scale and rotate, and I am going to drag. As I am dragging, there is a snap guard. If you observe, there is a line, an orange line that shows you if it's aligned with these other objects. So you can easily drag on top, drag below, it shows you when it's aligned. Okay. Now, this is just to let you know that this function only works on the vector layer and not raster. I don't know why, but yeah, it only works on the vector layer tool. And another thing, this feature is only available on Clip Studio Paint version 4.0 and up. All right. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. All right. More to come. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more content. All right. Take care. Bye.